Assalamu alaikum to all. Today we are here at the National Mosque, also called as the Masjid Negara of Malaysia. This is a large building designed to accommodate 15,000 people at any one time. The mosque has four prominent features, the most striking of which is 16-pointed star-shaped roof. Another prominent feature is the cluster of columns in the galleries in front of the main prayer hall. These large galleries are airy, open, and naturally cool spaces on account of the tiling, and this use of columns to break up the space is perhaps the most success aspect of the overall design. And this is the main prayer hall, beautiful structure, and this is a symbol of modern architecture. You can see the most striking feature, that is the 16-pointed star-shaped roof. The mosque also has fountains and open pools in the courtyard. The mosque is located near Kuala Lumpur's old British-built railway station and in an area with other significant buildings.